Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Khubor bala kemen rumboi ula pentip hayeng dorbar bagi kena puli Kiba Pyniasoh obat ke Bharat Scouts and Guides ki yo shibun ki Jingmyntoi namar ki yo ban necha ki wei ki district ki wei ki jela ba wat shabar jela bat bari ru kumju ban yo ik jingtip ke ba kim yo satya haki kamra kelas ya kani menteri ula juba bhalor ke jingkeli bawan ra adu MLA ke mau keruan ba ranikton lengdo tongkhar.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 140. A. Sir, yes, the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides is functioning under the Education Department. B. Sir, no, the service rule for employee have been drafted and is in the process of vetting and approval. C. Sir, students who are enrolled with Bharat Scouts and Guides gets exposure in district, state, regional, national, and international level featuring various topics not learned in school. For example, mapping, pioneer camp crafting, extra. Sir.
Your supplementary question. Thank you, sir. I want to understand from the Honorable Minister who had replied, and thank you for the reply that he has made. We understand that there is no service rule as of today under Bharat Scout and Guide since the draft is drafted, but process for vetting and approval is still awaited. So, sir, whether the staff working there, it's a contractual or regular?
Sir, the staff working there is being recruited by the Bharat Scout organization, sir.
So, sir, it's regular means regular staff. I want to understand whether it's regular or contractual, sir.
Sir, the government provide them the grant and they recruit the staff for the need of the Bharat Scout and Guides, sir.
Okay. Sir, at C, I'm very happy to see that so many benefits students can get to enroll under Bharat Scout and Guide. May I know from the Honorable Minister whether there is a limitation on numbers of students that can be enrolled under Bharat Scout and Guide district-wise? Whether is there any limitation on the numbers of enrollments?
As far as enrollment is concerned, there is no restriction on the Bharat Scout and Guides.
Okay, one more thing, sir. I want to get the clarity from the government, from the Honorable Minister. Whether the student enrolled under Bharat Scout and Guide, they get any additional marks in the police recruitment?
Sir, the Bharat Scout and Guides, sir, those who have get the present medal, they have a concentration in the higher studies, sir. For example, in the qualification in need extra. But regarding the mark in the police department, I didn't have a record with me. I require notice.
Okay, thank you. Otherwise, it's very good in case the student can get additional marks. I think it will be an encouragement for the student to enroll. Sir, my last question, whether the Bharat Scout and Guide, do they have any honorarium to pay to the teachers rendering their service in guiding the students who enrolled Bharat Scout and Guide?
Sir, the government spent about 33 lakh 5,076 for pay and honorarium, sir.